Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for stopping by. Let's make quick akara for breakfast. You can also use this for your dinner. So all I have to do is to select some beans. I'm using honey beans, yeah, brown honey beans. You can use any beans of your choice. Then I'll just go ahead, wash and peel off the skin. Then blend with some onions, enough onions, some pepper to taste, and salt to taste. Then I'll blend until very smooth. To blend this, you have to use a little amount of water so that your akara batter will not be watery. And if your blender is not strong enough, then you have to take it to the market to blend. So after blending, pour out into a bowl and whisk for some time. And the whisking will make your akara fluffy. Yeah, very fluffy. After whisking for some minutes, test for salt, then scoop your akara into a heated oil. Not very hot, but it has to be hot enough. Then scoop your akara and fry. As you fry, you have to flip it around so that the akara can fry on both sides. And after about 7 to 10 minutes of frying and flipping around, your akara should be well fried and done. So the next thing is to take them out from the oil. And here we have our akara. Thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.